Alright guys, welcome to another episode. Today me and Virgil are kayaking. We each got our own kayaks. This is my first time actually ever using mine. It's a little bitty set-in one of them cheap, unstable ones. He has a quality one. And we're doing a 2.5 mile float on a very small Ozark stream. Primarily targeting smallmouth bass, but with the chance of largemouth, pickerel, and goggle eye, and sunfish as well. But we are primarily targeting smallmouth. But we'll accidentally catch those other kinds mentioned. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, not bad. Smallmouth. All right, guys, on the board. We is on the board. About a 10-inch smallmouth, nothing huge by any means, but it does put me on the board. He put a hell of a fight for his size. Not bad. Beautiful smallmouth. Heck yeah. Not too shabby. Really colorful, man. He was only in 1 foot of water. Yeah. That tells you right there, it don't have to be deep. Got him. Smallmouth. That's the shadow I seen. I sight fished him. I knew exactly where he was setting because he stopped to follow my lure and just stayed there. That's pretty cool, guys. Another little, I'll give him 11. He'll go 11. Not terrible. Still heartbroken about the largemouth bass. Couple minutes ago. I'm sure it's probably on the video. Probably a good view of it. And that's about all I'll have of it. Pretty little smallmouth. Nothing to sneeze at. I'll take them. I'll take these all day. Heck yeah. And off she goes to see another day. Hiding in that tree up there. I can't believe how big some of these bass are I've seen today in here. Got him! All right, first largemouth of the day, guys. Unfortunately, he's the little one, but I did get him. He didn't fall off like the other two. He's a little 10-incher on that swim bait I bought here at our local grocery store. I forgot what they're called, but that you cannot find them in America. They're only in Europe. And our store just happened to have them for some weird reason. So I bought them all. Hey, it's fish. That's number 3 that I've actually landed. 2 smallmouth and 1 largemouth. There's been some true giants swimming around today, and I've hooked into 2 of them and lost both of them, guys. Really sad. I'm hoping I get redemption. I'm sure I will eventually by the end of the day, but oh yeah. Not 3, but he's decent. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Good God, dude. Okay. Okay. Oh my. Oh, I'm in a bad spot too. Yep, I'm in a bad spot to grab you, buddy. I have to wait till I get out of these sticks. Well, you just ain't giving up, are you? That's weird. The smallmouth are in the calm holes, man. I would have never thought. All right, you ruined my jig. I'm gonna have to replace you now. He's actually, he's about 11, I'd say. About 11 inch. Not a bad fish. Another 11 incher. That's smallmouth number 3. All on the same bait so far. These are real beautiful right now. They got a lot of brown streaks on them. Just absolutely gorgeous. Little bitty bass, but I'll take him. Little 10 incher, largemouth on the Largo shad. He already messed the paint up. Nice little bass. Guys, these are just little creek bass, but it's fun. It's fun watching them bite because the water's so clear. You actually get to watch them come up and attack it is the fun part. That's the most fun part of it, in fact, is watching those fish come out and devour your lure. There we go, a lot better. There we go. And there's no spotteds up here, not at least very few. He's a full 12 anyway. Heck yeah. Well, he devoured that Largo shad, guys. Man, I should have brought more than one of those now that I think about it. And there was other fish following him. Got him. Man, there's 4 smallmouth down here. I got the little one. Man, it's a pretty one though. He's a pretty one. He's only 11 inches, but he's got a big belly and a pretty design. Wow. Big old pot belly for his size. Wowzers. Oh, I got one. Largemouth. I guess I didn't scare him completely. Good God. All right, guys, 2 from the same hole. Unfortunately, they're just 11 inchers, but hey, I'll take them. We've definitely got numbers now. And I think this swim bait's done for almost. And I ain't got no more of them with me either. Nice little 1 pound largemouth, I guess. Not terrible. I did not think I'd get him because I just caught one. Usually when you catch one in one spot, you ain't getting any more. But I just proved myself wrong. That's 2 from one spot. They're not falling for it anymore either. They're interested in looking at it, but got him. That's the nicest one I've actually landed today, I think. About the same. Another 12-inch largemouth, guys. Right at a pound. Boy, they're fun though, these little creek bass. Like I said, the reason it's so much fun is because you watch them come out of nowhere and attack it in this crystal clear water. So it really don't matter about the size. Look at this thing. Like I said, the paint comes off before they destroy the lure. Look at that, it's all chipping off. Still catching fish. It's real durable, it's just the paint comes off it. So it looks all like it's dying or something. Tell you what, can you... Oh shit. Yeah, I wore a regular. Ooh, I got 8%. I'm gonna have to change my battery here in a second. Dude, look. See him sitting there? There's one sitting down in that stick. Freaking nice one too. Man, he's just sitting there. Oh, that's a sucker fish. Never mind, it's a sucker. I seen his white lips. Another 12-incher, guys. Oh shit. Might as well go out and get it. I'll change my battery and we'll go down. We'll find more. As
I was reeling it in, I'm like,
yeah.
A little bit of resistance there. And he just had it in his mouth the whole time.
Oh God. Yeah.
It was a little deeper than this, but...
Oh, there went a smallmouth. He's real tiny though. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boy, he felt way bigger than that, man. I thought I had a 3-pounder, honestly. He fooled me. He fought so hard. He's only 11 inches, but boy, man, I could not have got this hook in any further. It's literally 3 inches from the head of his mouth, the front of his mouth. He inhaled that thing, man. Surprised my grub didn't tear up. All right, guys, another 11-inch smallie. Most of these fish have big one, biggest one of the day. Oh yeah. Smallmouth wise either. Anyway, is a whole inch bigger. He's a full 12. Hey, and I might be able to get it without pliers. All right, guys, on the olive husky jerk. Heck yeah. I guess I'm gonna use this. Definitely won't have as many be getting off. That's one way to look at it. I can handle getting the pliers out. Full 12. Tell you what, can you get a photo of me? It's recording already, but oh, I'm behind. The sun's really bright, isn't it? Heck yeah, guys, finally a decent smallmouth. Not bad on that husky jerk, olive green husky jerk. Man, that's not bad. I knew there was a big one setting, and he's got a big belly for his size. Anyway, get that vibe in the background. Look at that. People are gonna be like, man, these guys are fishing in style. Got the vibe. These guys must be rich. Sunfish! Hell yeah! Finally! Alright guys, we've been wanting one of these the whole day. Finally! Man, this grass is itchy, man. We did it. Oh my. That is a cool looking little long ear there, guys. Big old flap. He is flap happy. Awesome fish. I guess I'm gonna man, that's not a bad one, is it? For here. Man, that's nice for this creek. He may go 13. Yeah, he's a full 13. All right, finally, guys, the biggest smallmouth of the day. Again, I keep beating it. Oh, man. God, I knew there was something down in that brush. I just kept throwing it and throwing it. Oh, my Lord. What a tank. That helped, man. That helped my day right there. A little bit. This lure's doing it for me for sure. It's definitely more appealing to them than that frickin' soft plastic, I guess. Alright guys, this is, I'm gonna say easily 13. He could even be a hint over it. Definitely a lot better than the ones I've been catching. He's up there anyway. For this little creek, it's about as big as they get a lot of times, so I'm happy with him. Heck yeah. Alright guys, I'm an idiot and had my camera off because it was overheating, so I turned it off, and that's when I catch my tied for the biggest one of the day for smallmouth wise, another 13. Beautiful smallmouth. husky jerk once again. Becoming my favorite lure in these little shallow creeks that most of the holes don't get over 5 foot. It's perfect for them. Yeah, that's about all it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, you got triple. You got triple hooks on yours.
Oh my God. All right, dude, stop.
So that's a 6 cents one?
Yep. 97.
Huh. It's got a little
it's their newer size.
smaller bill.
I think it's actually for forward-facing sonar. It's FFS.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's forward-facing sonar or if that's their finesse series.
Oh, okay. Want me to get a pic?
Oh my God, man.
Hey, it worked.
Freaking hooks are so sharp.
Yeah.
Every little, like, you just touch it and you get stuck. I look at it when I get stuck.
It's not horrible, man.
Nah, little guy.
Hey, we're catching a lot of. I bet we've caught 20.
Probably 11 inches.
Yeah, about 11. I bet we've caught 20 fish though. Man, it's not bad. Pretty damn decent. Yeah, I think that may be the ones I had earlier. Oh yeah, he's 14, man. Good God. Oh yeah, we got, oh man. How the hell did yours jump off and mine didn't? Mine's jumped like 6 times. Boy, it is hard to land them in a canoe, man. Or a kayak, I mean. God, this thing never stops. He's pulling me through the entire hole. Dude, he's 15. I think I need to get out. Just set him down in here. 15 incher, maybe even close to 16. Real dark. He ain't colorful like the ones I've been catching. He's just dark brown, really no design. He ain't got the stripes like I had hoped for, but still nice fish right there. That really made my day. Now I just need a big largemouth and it'll be complete. Heck yeah, that's a nice smallmouth. Man. What a hell of a smallmouth for this little creek, man. Now he's got some stripes to him. Once you put him in the water, you can see him. That's a beast. Yeah, he's easily 15. Holy cow. Largemouth or spotted? It's a largemouth. Yeah, that's a fat one. They had to have heard it.
I had to jerk.
Yeah. Oh man. What was that on?
Jerk bait.
Oh, Virgil got a nice largemouth, guys, on the jerk bait. Hell yeah, man. That's a nice fish. Hold it up once like that, I guess. There you go. Hell yeah. Guys, Virgil had to work for this fish. He's been obsessing over it for the last 5 minutes. I've heard him talking about it down there. And I missed a big smallmouth, bigger than the one I caught earlier. I think it was 17. And it jumped up in the air and got off. And then it wasn't no time. He had that one.
Man.
There's not many largemouth in this river, really. At least not up here. Compared to smallmouth. It's almost all smallmouth, sunfish, and shiners. Man, that's a nice one.
Giving up on that dude. I was like, He literally came up there and was nibbling the daggone treble hook.
Weird.
Like you could see him just barely open his mouth and just right at it. I'm like, what the fuck?
Man. Well, you finally got me.
So basically, what I was doing is like,
You all right? I got one on right now. Largemouth too. He's not big though. 12 though. I'll take him. I'll take him. Oh yeah. Not bad. Unfortunately, I ain't gonna get him without pliers. All right, guys, nice largemouth. Nothing like Virgil's, but he's 12 anyway. Virgil with a nice top water smallie. There we go. Not the best I could do being in here. It's hard to get a good holy crap, there's a lot of rock. Largemouth. About 11. Yeah, he's 12. He's a full 12. Stop. All right, guys, I just got me. Nah, he is only about 11. He's just real fat. Also got another one on the top water. We just pulled through trees, guys. 2 sets. Had to go over trees. Absolutely horrible. And we're running way behind, and still had a good day though. That's all that matters.
There, got the one out of his gill.
He's got a pot belly on it for its size, I guess. Nuh-uh. Holy, yeah, wow. Right at the end of the day, guys. Holy cow. We were literally almost to the car right now. He just got a 5-pounder. You got a scale with you? Yep. Really? Yeah, that's a full, it's hard for me to tell yet, hold on. Pretty damn big looking. Holy cow.
4.6.
Wow, 4.5, huh? Might as well, oh my gosh, yeah. All right, I got to get a good photo of you, man, because that's the best thing we got. After all that, we deserve that after what we just went through, don't we? Oh, shit. Guys, he just got a tank of, oh my God. I didn't think they even got that big in here.
4.6.
Holy
4
cow.
pounds, 6 ounces.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That is a giant, man. Whoa. Yeah, that's huge for a little creek like this. Gosh. Do one more time real quick. Regular like you had it first. I want to make sure. There we go. That is a beast, man. Whoa. Oh my goodness. You didn't give up. You kept throwing.
That's the second time I've caught a 4-pounder right there. I bet it might even be the same one.
It could be.
I throw at that.
Where that little log is?
Right there.
Why?
Where that log is sticking up and coming out.
Because all the shade, I guess?
So right up under there as far back as I can. And
Oh my God.
back there.
Man, you've whipped me now.